Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Find the link in the description of the video to use my bundle offer now. A new general AI agent named Manus has been introduced, designed to go beyond idea generation and deliver tangible results. Unlike other AI systems that stop at conceptualization, Manus functions as an autonomous agent capable of executing tasks from start to finish. Manus has demonstrated its capabilities through a variety of tasks, including resume screening, New York properties research, and correlation analysis. And Manus AI has listed many use cases on their website. Right now, we can use it only if we have the invitation. Let us first see the resume screening demo. Manus can receive a zip file containing multiple resumes and process them like a human, browsing each resume page by page. It records important information from the resumes into documents. Manus works asynchronously in the cloud, notifying users upon completion. It can handle additional resumes sent during the process. After reviewing all resumes, Manus provides ranking suggestions, candidate profiles, and evaluation criteria, and can even create a spreadsheet of the information. Manus learns from user preferences and will deliver a spreadsheet by default for similar tasks in the future. The next demo is New York properties research. Manus can filter New York properties based on multiple criteria. For complex tasks, Manus first breaks them down and creates a to-do list. Manus begins by searching and carefully reading articles about the safest neighborhoods, then researches middle schools in New York. Next, Manus writes a Python program to calculate a budget. Based on the budget, Manus filters listings on real estate websites. Finally, combining all the information gathered, Manus writes a detailed report and compiles all the resources. Next demo is correlation analysis. Manus can access authoritative data sources through APIs for professional data. After validating the acquired data, Manus writes code for data analysis and visualization. Manus completes the data analysis and visualization and creates an interactive data visualization website. With permission, Manus deploys the finished website online and provides a shareable link. The AI agent has achieved state-of-the-art performance on benchmarks and has proven its capabilities on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Kaggle competitions. The creators of Manus have also committed to open sourcing select models powering the AI later this year.